Welcome back everyone, Sal here again with another video. In this video we're going to be replacing the hard drive in my MacBook Pro. I've had this hard drive for a while and I initially bought it for the PlayStation, right? It's 750 gigs, but I thought, you know what, let me pop it in the Mac, and then I'll put the 250 in here in the in the PlayStation. So let's do that now. First thing you should always do, obviously, is to back up your data, and that's done easily by dragging the profile that's under your name to a USB hard drive, and I'll show you how to do that.
Okay, so after you plug in your USB hard drive, as you can see it's iOmega 500 in the bottom left hand corner. You're going to go right to your hard drive and navigate to users and then your name, which mine would be Sal. And then all you got to do is just drag that folder over into the USB hard drive. Now here I'm just renaming it because I took the profile from another computer, and all you got to do is just we're going to go back, users, then there's my profile, and drag that right into the USB hard drive. And that's it. It's gonna calculate the time and start copying the files over, and that's it.
Okay, so once you've backed up your hard drive, your profile off the computer, you're gonna open up your MacBook. So what you're gonna need is a precision. It's called the Precision Toolkit, which they're tiny screws. Here I have. I picked this up at the dollar store actually. Hopefully it's gonna work for me. For this specific Mac that I'm working with, which is from last year, 2011, you need the, I believe it's the H00 Phillips bit. You're not going to be able to see that, but it's a Phillips star. And it's H00 or HOO. Anyways, I got other little bits that just fit into the back here. It's not bad for a $2 item. Aluminum construction. It's pretty good. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like. We have the battery, the CD burner, and here's our hard drive. This is what we want. So I think what we have to do here is remove this black bar. Okay, there's two screws. I think we unscrewed and the hard drive will pop out. Let's do that right now. And there we have it. The hard drive is out, and it looks like the power, data, and all that is connected by this ribbon cable here, and it's one, I think it, yep, one connector. One connector right there, if you can see it. Very simple and easy. Then there's this little plastic tab, but let's get the new hard drive. Like that, it is also a Seagate. That was just by fluke, actually. We're going from a Seagate 320 to a Seagate 570. Hopefully this one has a bit more cache or whatever, but whatever. We got more space. So we're just going to reconnect the cable here. Done. And we're going to have to transfer the screws over on the side here. Okay, so what I have is a very small flathead screwdriver here. Now it looks like it's a torque bit, but I don't have a torque bit. So what I'm going to do in this case, very special case since I don't have the proper tool, is to actually make sure your flathead is securely inside the head of the screw, and then gently, without stripping the head, turn to the left. And get them loose. I got one loose. Let's hope I can do the others as well. Wish me luck. Okay. With success, I've unscrewed the little bolts on the side of the hard drive. There's Gizmo, if you haven't seen him in a long time. So as you can see, they were not in hard, like screwed in, like welded in. So they were properly in snug, which was very nice of Apple to do. Now I'm just going to put them in the side of the hard drive here. We're going to get this thing mounted back in, and we're going to install our Mountain Lion OS. Whoop! I gotta be careful not to damage that ribbon cable. Hopefully the only time we have to go back in here is to pop in a 750 gig SSD. So that won't be for a long while. We're going to replace the cover. Now if you were paying attention, there was 3 long screws. We got to make sure they go back in their proper position, which all 3 were right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all done. We're going to put my sexy case back on. So here is where we would get our disk utility to format the hard drive. I know it's kind of tough to see, but there's a 750. We want to Mac extended journaled, Mac HD, and it's going to format. What we're going to do is we're going to restart the computer. And we're going to do a Command R again. Let's see, I believe I have Mountain Lion on my USB key. Okay, so I restarted it, did Command R, and let's see where we're at now with the USB key plugged in. Install OS X. Big question here to see what we're going to get. Yeah, just do it. Okay guys, so the system has restarted. It said it, it said it restarted, it downloaded and installed Mac OS X successfully. I still don't know what version it installed, if it was Lion or Mountain Lion or Bobcat. So we're going to find out now when we run through the setup here. So there you go. It's running through the welcome. Okay, we're going to start using the Mac and see what's doing here. Looks like Mountain Lion to me, at least by the wallpaper. It is 10.8, looking good. So now I just put everything back off my USB drive and I'm good to go with a 750 gig hard drive. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.